This is Southern Heat, Cajun Alfredo fried chicken pasta, creamy, crispy, and off the charts. Step 1. Season chicken thighs with Cajun spice and garlic powder, dip in buttermilk, then dredge in flour. Fry until golden. Step 2. Boil fettuccine or penne until al dente. Step 3. Make Cajun Alfredo, sauté garlic in butter, add cream, Cajun seasoning, and shredded Parmesan. Simmer until thick. Step 4. Slice fried chicken and lay it over a bowl of Alfredo pasta. Step 5. Garnish with parsley, chili flakes, and a final Parmesan snow.